As the holiday season approaches, our hearts naturally turn towards giving and sharing. It's a time when communities come alive with the spirit of generosity and goodwill. Beyond the festive lights and celebrations lies an opportunity to make a profound difference. Volunteering during the holidays is more than just an act of kindness. It's a chance to connect, uplift, and spread joy where it's needed most. Whether serving meals at a local shelter, participating in toy drives, or helping at community events, your involvement can transform lives. This segment introduces you to holiday volunteering, highlighting its significance and impact. Join us on this inspirational journey as we explore how you can contribute to your community and experience the true essence of the holiday spirit. Discover the joy of giving back and see how your actions can light up others' lives. As the holiday season approaches, countless opportunities await those eager to lend a helping hand. Communities come together, united by the spirit of giving and sharing. But where can you start? What avenues are available for someone looking to make a difference? Let's explore the diverse ways you can volunteer and the profound impact your efforts can have. Imagine stepping into a bustling soup kitchen where the aroma of warm meals fills the air and the room buzzes with the chatter of volunteers and guests. Here, you can serve meals to those in need, providing not just nourishment, but also a sense of belonging. It's a chance to connect with others and share in the joy of giving. Or perhaps you're drawn to the magic of a toy drive, where donating a toy can light up a child's face with joy. Many local charities organize these events, collecting gifts to ensure every child experiences the wonder of the holidays. For those who prefer a hands-on approach, consider volunteering at a community garden. These green spaces beautify neighborhoods and provide fresh produce to local food banks. By getting your hands dirty, you're not just growing plants, but fostering community spirit and sustainability. Local charities and nonprofit organizations offer a wide array of volunteer opportunities. From organizing holiday events to helping with administrative tasks, these organizations rely heavily on volunteers. Volunteering doesn't just benefit those you help, it enriches your own life. Studies show that volunteering can improve mental health, boost self-esteem, and enhance professional skills. It provides a sense of purpose and fulfillment, knowing your actions contribute to the greater good. The holiday season is a perfect time to pause and reflect on what truly matters. By giving your time, skills, and compassion, you uplift others and experience the profound joy of making a difference. So, whether you're feeding the hungry, bringing smiles to children, or supporting local nonprofits, remember that your efforts ripple out, touching lives and strengthening our communities. As we delve deeper into these opportunities, consider where your passion lies. Which cause resonates with you? The holiday season is full of potential for meaningful connections and contributions. Let's continue this journey of discovery and find the perfect way for you to get involved. As we dive deeper into community involvement, we uncover the true impact of volunteering. Imagine the smiles on children's faces as they receive gifts at a holiday toy drive, or the warmth in the eyes of an elderly person receiving a visit from a caring volunteer. These moments define the spirit of giving back. Volunteers often speak of the profound joy and fulfillment they experience. One volunteer shares, "The connections I've made and the lives I've touched have given me a sense of purpose I never knew I needed." Beneficiaries, too, express their gratitude. A single mother who once relied on the kindness of strangers now gives back by organizing food drives. Her story is a testament to the ripple effect of community support. Successful projects abound, from community gardens providing fresh produce to families in need, to mentorship programs empowering young minds. These initiatives not only address immediate needs, but also sow seeds for lasting change. It's about more than just the act of volunteering. It's about building bridges and creating a tapestry of hope and kindness that binds communities together. As each volunteer steps forward, they become a vital thread in this fabric, strengthening the whole. Through these stories and testimonials, we see the tangible impact of community involvement. Volunteering transforms not only the lives of those served, but also those who serve. It is a powerful reminder that when we join hands and hearts, we can create a world where everyone thrives. So listen to these voices, feel the passion, and be inspired by the changemakers among us. This is your invitation to join the movement and experience the profound impact of giving back to your community. As we conclude our journey through the world of holiday volunteering, remember that the power to make a difference lies within each of us. This season, take a moment to find a cause that resonates with you. Whether it's lending a hand at a local shelter, participating in a food drive, or supporting a community initiative, your contribution matters. Volunteering not only enriches the lives of others, but also brings a profound sense of fulfillment and joy to your own. To get started, explore local nonprofit organizations or online platforms dedicated to volunteer opportunities. Reach out, get involved, and witness the positive impact of your actions firsthand. This holiday season, let's come together to spread kindness and warmth. Be the change you wish to see and inspire those around you to join the movement. Thank you for watching, and may your volunteering journey be as rewarding as it is impactful.